flow trading is a strategy that focuses on analyzing the actual flows happening in the forex market. Order flow is an important concept that often goes unnoticed, but understanding and mastering how orders move in the market can give you a significant edge and also help you to avoid missing out on trades. In this video, I will break down what order flow is. You will also learn how to use order flow to identify trading opportunities, why it's essential, and how to implement the order flow trading strategy in your own trading. If you are ready to enhance your trading skills, hit that subscribe button and let's jump into practical tips on how to use order flow to your advantage. So here, first thing first, okay, what is order flow? In a downward trend, order flow is the last buying move before the sell, okay? So basically that is the last flow of the buyers before price switched from buy to sell. So let's say in a downward trend like this, okay, right, where is our order flow, right? So as you can see here, this is our order flow because this is the last buying move, okay, before the sell, okay? So right here, where is our order flow? This is our order flow because this is the last buying move. All right, where is our order flow? Right here, this is our order flow seated right here because this is the last buying move, okay, before price moved downward. So guys, this is how to identify your order flow. So right here on the chart, okay, let's take a closer look on how to identify our order flow, okay? So right here, the first thing is to identify the order of the trend, okay? So right here, you can see that we are in a downward trend, okay, signifying that the orders flow downward. All right, so right here, where is our order flow? Okay, so market switched from buy here to a sell trend right here. So where is our last buy before the sell? Right here, as you can see guys, this is our last buy move, okay, right here. All right, so if we are to mark at this level or this zone as our order flow zone, then we will have something like this. So as you can see, price mitigated the order flow and pushed lower. All right, so guys, some traders get confused on how to trade the order flow, okay? So right here, you can see we have a break of previous low right here. All right, so after a break of low, what are we waiting for? Wait for price to take out inducement and then mitigate a POI, either an order block, order flow, supply or demand zones, okay, or any other POI that you can find around that zone. So right here, markets can mitigate your order flow. So once market mitigates your order flow, you can either enter your trade based on candlestick confirmation here on the higher time frame, or you scale down to a lower time frame to minimize your risk. So right here guys, you can see that price mitigated the order flow right here, okay, after taking out inducement. So you can see price mitigate this order flow, all right, still swept this high and then pushed lower. So right here we can see now there's a break of major structure right here. So right here guys, as you can see, we have a major break of structure right here, okay? So you need to identify how to mark out these structures effectively to understand all these concepts. So guys, you can check out my videos on inducement, liquidity, how to mark out structures and pullbacks. You can find the link in the description box below, right? So after break of structure here, what next are we looking out for? Where is our order flow? Okay, so right here you can see this is the last buying move around here. All right, so this becomes our order flow. So we are going to go ahead and mark out this zone, all right, as our order flow and see how price reacts to that zone. So moving on, let's mark out this is our last buying move because it took out the high of this level. All right, so right, this is our last buying move. So as you can see, price did mitigate the order flow. So right here we can see price mitigate the order flow here, all right, after inducement has been taken out. So guys, after every major break of structure, always wait for inducement to be taken out. Price can mitigate your POI. So guys, I want to draw your attention to something right here, okay? Sometimes price mitigates the order flow and fail to mitigate the order block, okay? So where is our order block for this trade right here? Where is our order block? As you can see clearly right here, this is our order block sitting around this zone, okay? That is a valid order block, right? This green candle right here is our order block. So you see that price did not mitigate the order block, right? Price did not mitigate the order block and push lower, but rather price respected the order flow and pushed lower. So in this case, if you are unaware of the order flow strategy, or if you are unaware of the order flow concept, if your only attention is on the order block, you may be missing out on trades like this. Okay, so some traders see order block as everything in the market. Order block is not everything. We have other POI like the order flow, we have the imbalance, we have the supply and demand zones, we have session highs and lows, and many others. So guys, order block is not everything. In fact, most times price turns around from any POI. Once price have taken out inducement, alright, price can tap into an order block right here. Okay, price can tap into an extreme order block, price can tap into an order flow. There is an order flow seated right here. Okay, and price can also mitigate an imbalance zone around here, right? So guys, you just need to see a lower time frame entry model at any of the POI zone. If the market taps on inducement zone and you don't see any lower time frame entry, you ignore. If it comes around this zone, you do not see any lower time frame entry model, you ignore. Then that means price obviously wants to go ahead to mitigate the order block. All right, so moving on guys, you should always take note of these POI zones. After inducement liquidity sweep, watch price reaction at your POIs. So guys, as you can see, after price tapped on the order flow right here, you can see market broke structure around this zone. Okay, so after a break of structure, sorry for my drawing skills guys, so after break of structure, what happened? Where is our order flow? Where is the last buying move? All right, this is our last buying move. So guys, let's pick out these two to mark out our order flow zone. All right, so right here, as you can see right here, where is our order flow? We can see markets respect the order flow around this zone. Okay, so after this, what happened? After price mitigated the order flow, market pushed lower, breaking this previous low. All right, so after break of structure guys, where is our order flow? Okay, this is the last buy move right here. All right, so let's go ahead, right, and mark out our order flow zone. So let's delete these, all right, so you can see the chart clearly. So right here, where is our order flow? This becomes our order flow, all right, and last buy move. So guys, as you can see, price did mitigate the order flow, right, and pushed lower. So it continues in that same manner. All right, this is applicable on all your time frame, the 4 hour, the 15-minute time frame. Okay, you can backtest this concept and see how you can implement it in your trading strategy to increase your odds of winning. Okay, if you are still lost about this concept, you can watch this video over and over again, or you can sign up for my mentorship program where I hold you by the hand and guide you through this concept. In conclusion, order flow might just be the missing piece in your trading puzzle. Order flow can provide you with a better insight into your trade setup, just like you have watched in this video. You can backtest this strategy and you can improve your trading results with this strategy. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more valuable insight into Forex trading strategies. Bye for now and see you in the next video. Don't forget, stay connected to wealth.